Hi, so I have another Will Foldable to show you. These have been very popular for students' interactive notebooks or just as a handheld study tool. So I have another one on mode, mean, median, and range. Okay, so your students will be given 4 pages, and you can have students color, cut out. They don't necessarily have to color if you're short on time. I tell my students to use highlighters and they highlight important information. So that always works out very well. And then they love to go home and color it. Okay, so I have already cut, as you can tell, I've already cut out my circles and my title. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move my trash. Okay, so I have my circles right here, and you can see my bottom circle, of course, is going to be the biggest circle. And I need to be very careful when I glue these together because I need to make sure my second biggest circle, when it goes on, that the glue here on both of them are facing the same direction. They're both upright. I don't want to turn one because then it'd give me an incorrect answer. I do have a blank template, so it wouldn't really matter if they turn it if the bottom layer is blank, but since I actually printed the answer key, you need to be very careful and make sure you glue them on top of one another upright. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start gluing where it says glue here. And I'm going to place my second largest one on top. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same with my third layer. I'm going to place glue where it says glue here. Place that layer, and again I'm going to make sure it's upright. And then my last one is my title. More glue. I'm going to place that right on top. Okay. Now, I said earlier that it is nice to use in your notebook, so you can have students either use as a handheld study tool. After gluing, I like to go around and fold just so it makes it easier to lift each tab. Okay, and so you can again have it as a handheld study tool. Students can use that, or they can glue in their notebook, and I have included a title that you can have students paste in their notebooks, and so they can ask themselves, for example, what is mode? And mode, it'll give you the definition, and then it'll give you an example, and then it's your turn. So it'll give you another list of data, and then you will have to find out what the mode is. So that's a really cool foldable on the 3 M's, we call them: mode, mean, median, and then range. All right, if you like my Will Foldable, please go ahead and click the link down below. In my store, you will find I have lots of other Will Foldables, so please check those out as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.